हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। तो चलिए ज़्यादा बात ना करते हुए वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। तुमने इसे कैसे किया? हाउ डिड यू डू दिस? हाउ डिड यू डू दिस? आप कहाँ से आए हैं? वेयर डू यू कम फ्रॉम? वेयर डू यू कम फ्रॉम? क्या तुम्हें समय मिला? डिड यू गेट टाइम? डिड यू गेट टाइम? तुम्हें यह सीखना चाहिए। यू शुड लर्न दिस। यू शुड लर्न दिस। तुम किसके साथ हो? हु आर यू विथ? हु आर यू विथ? क्या तुम यहाँ थे? वर यू हेयर? वर यू हेयर? वह क्या करना चाहता था? What did he want to do? What did he want to do? मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I don't care. I don't care. हम सब दोस्त हैं। We are all friends. We are all friends. मुझे यह सीखना है। I have to learn this. I have to learn this. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा। I don't remember. I don't remember. क्या तुम यह देख सकते हो? Can you see this? Can you see this? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? उसने पिछले हफ्ते एक बंगला खरीदा। He purchased a bungalow last week. He purchased a bungalow last week. तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? Where do you have to go? Where do you have to go? तुम इसे कैसे करोगे? How will you do it? How will you do it? मुझे यह दिखाओ। Show me this. Show me this. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? सॉरी, इसमें दो बार यू यूज हुआ है तो आप एक ही बार यूज कीजिएगा, दो बार नहीं। Where do you live बोलिएगा, ओके? तुमने अच्छा काम किया। You did a good job. You did a good job. मुझे अच्छा लगा। I liked it. I liked it. मुझे आशा है कि तुम ठीक हो। I hope you are fine. I hope you are fine. मुझे वहाँ मिलना है। I want to meet you there. I want to meet you there. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? मुझे तुमसे कुछ पूछना है। I have to ask you something. I have to ask you something. मुझे तुम्हारी सलाह चाहिए। I need your advice. I need your advice. मुझे कुछ समय दो। Give me some time. Give me some time. तुम बहुत शांत हो। You are very calm. You are very calm. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ। I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे सब कुछ बताओ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मैं भूल गया। I forget. I forget. क्या तुम अभी व्यस्त हो? Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? नाश्ता करिए। Have breakfast. Have breakfast. मुझे जवाब चाहिए। I need an answer. I need an answer. आज गांधी जयंती है। It is Gandhi Jayanti today. It is Gandhi Jayanti today. क्या यह सच्ची बात है? Is this a true thing? Is this a true thing? वे सब गए थे। They all went. They all went. क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? मुझे नहीं पता कि तुम कहाँ रहते हो। I don't know that where do you live? I don't know that. Where do you live? क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? आज मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I am not feeling well today. I am not feeling well today. वे लोग आएंगे. They will come. They will come. क्या मैं इसे ले सकता हूँ? Can I take this? Can I take this? कृपया बैठिए. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. वह हर टाइम फिल्म देखता है. He watches movie every time. He watches movie every time. इसे टेबल पर रख दो. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. तुम क्या पढ़ोगे? What will you read? What will you read? मैं आपसे बाद में निपटूंगा. I will deal with you later. I will deal with you later. मैं आपको बता दूंगा. I will inform you. I will inform you. मेले में कौन जाएगा? Who will go into the fair? Who will go into the fair? क्या तुम यह खाओगे? Would you eat this? Would you eat this? उसे एहसास हुआ. She realized. She realized. कल तुम्हें स्कूल आना होगा. You will have to come school tomorrow. You will have to come school tomorrow. बेकार की बातें मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. तुम्हें व्यायाम करनी चाहिए. You should to do exercise. You should to do exercise. सेब मीठे हैं. The apples are sweets. The apples are sweets. गर्मी दोबारा हो रही है. It's getting summer again. It's getting summer again. क्या तुमने उसे ढूंढा? Did you find him? Did you find him? उसकी बात सुनो. Listen to her. Listen to her. एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. वह अपनी जिंदगी से तंग आ चुकी है. She is sick of her life. She is sick of her life. क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? मैं इस पढ़ाई से तंग आ चुकी हूँ. I am sick of this study. I am sick of this study. मैं सुबह में नहीं उठ सकती. I can't wake up in morning. I can't wake up in morning. तुमने मुझसे कहा था कि तुम आओगे. You said to me that you will come. You said to me that you will come. क्या तुम इसे शुगर में खाओगे? Would you eat this sugar? Would you eat this sugar? शुगर की स्पेलिंग है SUGER. शुगर. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाए. Don't angry me. मुझे गुस्सा ना दिलाए. Don't angry me. मुझे गाने सुनने का शौक है. I am fond of to hear music. I am fond of to hear music. वह कुछ नहीं कह रहा है. He is not saying anything. He is not saying anything. बहुत उत्तेजित है वह. He is very excited. He is very excited. कुल मिलाकर बात यह है. Sam and substance is that. Sam and substance is that. तुम क्या कर लोगे? What will you do? What will you do? ये रहा आपका कमरा. Here is your room. Here is your room. वह रात को आएगी. She will come at night. She will come at night. आप तो काफी समझदार हो. You are wise enough. You are wise enough. मैं गर्मी से तंग आ चुका हूँ. I am sick of the hot. I am sick of the hot. ये जिम्मेवारी मेरी नहीं है. This duty is not mine. This duty is not mine. उससे लड़ाई बंद करो. Stop fighting from her. Stop fighting from her. कृपया समय पर पधारें. Please reach in time. Please reach in time. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What's my fault in it? What's my fault in it? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. तुम तो मूर्ख हो. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. आप एक गांव छोड़ दो. Quit this village. Quit this village. तुम तो एक नंबर के झूठे हो. You are the first rate liar. You are the first rate liar. अपनी जिंदगी बर्बाद मत करो. Don't spoil your career. Don't spoil your career. यह प्लॉट बिकाऊ है. This plot is for sale. This plot is for sale. तुम अपना बीमा करा लो. Get insurance. Get insurance. आज तो बड़ी ठंड पड़ रही है. It is very cold today. It is very cold today. थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ दो. Leave some space. Leave some space. ये कोई कायदा नहीं है. This is no rule. This is no rule. मुझे बदनाम मत करो. Don't defame me. Don't defame me. मेरा पैसा वापस करो. Refund my money. Refund my money. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't infuriate me. Don't infuriate me. अपने कागजात जमा कर दो. Submit your documents. Submit your documents. आप कौन सी किताब से कर रहे हो? Which book are you purchasing? Which book are you purchasing? इस चादर को बिछा दो. Spread this sheet. Spread this sheet. कार में से सामान उतारो. Unload the luggage. Unload the luggage. मुझे एक लिफाफा दे दो. Give me an envelope. Give me an envelope. वह खेल रही है. She is playing. She is playing. मुझे नौकरी पर रख लो. Give me some job. Give me some job. मैं आपका आज्ञाकारी हूँ. Your obediently. Your obediently. अपनी क्लास देख लीजिए. Visit your class. Visit your class. मुझे कुछ पैसों की जरूरत है. I need some money. I need some money. तुमने बहुत बुरा किया. You did very bad. You did very bad. ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. This duty is not mine. This duty is not mine. वह सिर्फ काम करती है. She only works. She only works. कार से सामान उतारो. Unload the luggage from the car. Unload the luggage from the car. कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming? Who is coming? उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What's happening in his mind? What's happening in his mind? मुझे नौकरी पर रख लीजिए. Give me some job. Give me some job. वह बहुत साधारण लड़की है. She is an very ordinary girl. She is an very ordinary girl. इसका जिम्मेदार कौन होगा? Who will be responsible for it? Who will be responsible for it? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. भाग्य भी कोई चीज होती है. Luck is also something. Luck is also something. मुझे पछतावा महसूस हुआ. I feel regret. I feel regret. वक्त की कदर करो. Value of the time. Value of the time. इतना मत चिल्लाओ. Don't shout too much. Don't shout too much. पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं होता. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. तुम बहुत घटिया किस्म के आदमी हो. You are a man of very poor category. You are a man of very poor category. मेरी मम्मी चटनी बना रही थी. My mummy was making sauce. My mummy या mother was making sauce. मुझ पर इल्जाम मत लगाइए. Don't blame on me. Don't blame on me. मेहमान खाना खा रहे हैं. The guests are taking food. The guests are taking food. मेरा वक्त बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. रेलगाड़ी धीरे धीरे चल रही है. The train is moving slowly. The train is moving slowly. मुझ पर बहुत बोझ है. I have many burdens. I have many burdens. बाहर तेज बारिश हो रही है. It is raining heavily outside. It is raining heavily outside. दोनों भाई अलग अलग रह रहे थे. Both the brothers were living separately. Both the brothers were living separately. वह गांव के स्कूल में पढ़ती है. She studies in a village school. She studies in a village school. वैसे तुम भी पागलों से कोई कम थोड़ी ना हो. You are not less than a fool. You are not less than a fool. मैं अपने कपड़ों पर प्रेस कर रहा हूँ. I am ironing my clothes. I am ironing my clothes. तुम तो एक नंबर के झूठे हो. You are the first rate liar. You are the first rate liar. हम अपनी मातृभूमि से प्यार करते हैं. We love our motherland. We love our motherland. पूजा के पास एक अंगूठी है. पूजा has a ring. पूजा has a ring.